Now see here, you have to measure your pressure difference using open tube manometer. So see, in this manometer, we take here U-shaped tube here. This is a U-shaped tube and in which liquid is filled. If you are going to measure small pressure difference, you have to take the liquid of low density or the less density, and if you are going to measure large pressure difference, you have to take the liquid of the large density or that is a high density. Now, one end of this U tube is connected to this chamber, that is D, and now the air is filled here whose pressure difference has to be measured. When the air is over here and suppose the pressure of air is greater than the atmospheric pressure, then the liquid will rise in this tube. Suppose the liquid rises by a height h, and this level is here A, and this point is B, and this point is C. So, according to Pascal's law, the pressure at A and B should be same. So, pressure at B is what are these two pressures? Pressure due to this height of the liquid column and plus atmospheric pressure acting here. So, pressure at B is equal to Pa plus H rho g. What is H? H is here the height of the liquid which has here gone up, and now rho is the density of the liquid, g is acceleration due to gravity. So, now we can write here pressure at A is equal to pressure at B, that is here this point I am talking about, which is the pressure of the air taken in this valve. So, pressure at A is equal to pressure at B is equal to Pa plus H rho g, and you can write here Pa minus Pa, that is atmospheric pressure, is equal to H rho g. So, this is called here gauge pressure. So, you can measure simply the pressure difference by using this open tube manometer.